Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video. Hey, how you doing? So I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the group SB19. God. I'm back to my old routine where I upload multiple videos from a group or a single artist or solo artist to be exact. So this would be SB19 performing live at the Love Show TM to their song Tilalua, yes, SB19. They're gonna be giving me vocals, so I'm here for it. It looks so good. Ken.
Sa tuwing ika'y
Ken.
nakikita,
Love me some Ken.
di mapigil ang luha.
I'm so thirsty.
Sa aking mata. Paano nga ba, paano nga ba, paano nga bang limutin ka? Kung sa puso ko ika'y nag-iisa.
Yes.
Maliban ako'y umaasa. Tama bang nadarama para sa'yo, sinta?
Yes.
Bakit nga ba? Mahal kita?
Excuse my singing, guys.
Kung sa puso mo ay mayroon ang iba. Unti-unting lunurin ang aking nadarama. O buhos ng ulan, huwag nang tumila pa. Paano nga ba papawi? Labis na pagdurusa. Kung wala mang pag-asa, turuan mo naman ako. Limutin ka.
Come on, Stell.
Kahit na ulay
Oh, those two. I could never remember which one is Josh or Justin.
luha sa aking matay, patuloy pa. Ano nga ba?
I'm in the bar.
Ano nga ba
Come on, Stell.
magagawa? Kung hanggang ngayon'y mahal pa rin kita. Unti-unting lunurin ang aking nadarama. O buhos na walang, huwag nang tumila pa. Paano nga ba mapapawi? Labis na pagdurusa. Kung wala mang pag-asa, turuan mo naman ako. Limutin ka. Lahat dina'y mawawala. Kasabay ng pagtila ng
Yes.
nadarama.
Oh, I wonder if this was a performance for a Valentine's Day performance they did.
Aking nadarama.
Come on. Represent P-pop. Oh, this is when he did a live version. Was this a song he did a live version to on Wish 107.5? That buzz? Oh, this is a song when he hold that note. Oh, he hold that note. Oh, I missed it. Go back. Still, but I hold that note. Hold that note. I'm so thirsty today. What's going on? Okay. Okay with the runs. Okay with the runs. So that was SB19 performing their song Tilahua. I'm here for it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm thinking this was something that they did at the Love Show. I guess pertaining to Valentine's Day. I really do appreciate that. SB19, that was such a good job. Stell, as always, you are the lead vocalist of the group. I love it. Once again, I will say this, SB19 never disappoint. K-pop is giving these K-pop boys a run for their money. This group is giving the K-pop boys a run for their money, and I'm happy for it. And the new trailer that they released, I love it. I can't wait to see what the new project's going to be. I am here for it. I can't wait to see the music video, the choreo, the songs, the visual. I can't wait. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to you as soon as possible. As always, who can do you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.